How to install a pipe seal. Cut off top of the pipe seal to the desired pipe size and ensure a snug fit to the pipe seal. Position pipe seal. And mark the rubber approximately 1 centimeter out from the edge of the pipe seal. Thinly apply primer to the rubber with a scrubber pad and allow to dry. Reposition pipe seal and carefully remove the release paper, then make the two surfaces together. Thoroughly roller for a really professional finish. Install the supplied Jubilee clip to seal the top of the pipe seal.